In theme of adjectives, we'll be learning an interesting color today. Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have the color called Mavi. Mavi. Mavi is blue or azure. Now, let's take a look at sentences and phrases because there's an interesting hint. Here it comes. Blue sky, azure sea. Let's take a look at blue sky and I'll tell you. Mavi səma or göy, mavi dəniz. Here is the trick. So mavi, we cleared it out. It's blue, ideally some light blue. Səma is a sky, but typically we are saying, for example, to look at sky, səmaya baxmaq, but you will also hear göyə baxmaq, göy. That is why I added this here, as you see, göy, because sometimes you will hear people calling the color blue göy. You say, which color? Like for example, you're asking a question and that thing happens to be in blue color. They will tell you, or mavi renkli. More often or not, you will hear göy renk. It's because we also call sky göy. That's why. So that's the trick. Mavi dəniz, azure or blue sea. Now, sentences. Səhərin erkən saatlarında şəhərin üstünü örtən buludlar çəkiləndə dərin mavi səma binaların şüşələrində parıldadı və hər kəsin əhvalı biraz da yüngülləşdi. A poetic sentence as if from a book. Let's see why. In the early morning hours, when the clouds covering the city pulled away, the deep blue sky shimmered in buildings' windows, and everyone's mood became a little lighter. Səhərin erkən saatlarında, saat, hour, clock, saatlar, hours. Da, at the end, you see, is in the. Erkən, early. Səhərin, səhər, morning. Səhər, in, of the morning. The early hours of the morning, basically. In the early morning hours, that's the right way to translate, cohesive. When the clouds covering the city pulled away. Clouds covering the city. Şəhərin üstünü örtən, şəhər, the city, üstünü over the city, basically. Örtən, covering. Buludlar, clouds, bulud, clouds, buludlar. Çəkiləndə, pulled away, when they pulled away. Dərin, deep, mavi səma, blue sky. Binaların şüşələrində parıldadı. Parıldadı, shimmered, glowed basically. Binaların şüşələrində, in the building's windows. Və, and, hər kəsin əhvalı, hər kəs, everyone. Hər kəsin əhvalı, everyone's mood, biraz da, a little, yüngülləşdi, became lighter. Okay, next one. Yay tətilində qumlu sahildə oturub üfüqü izləyərkən dalğaların mavi dənizdə qırılıb ağ köpüklərə çevrildiyini görmək məni qəribə bir sakitliyə qərq edirdi. Another poetic sentence. Let's see. While sitting on a sandy beach during summer vacation and watching the horizon, seeing the waves break in the blue sea and turn into white foam immersed me in a strange calm. Yay tətilində, during summer vacation, qumlu sahildə, on the sandy beach, oturup, while sitting, üfüqü, üfüq is the horizon, izləyərkən, and watching, dalğaların, the waves, of what? Mavi dənizdə, in the blue sea, qırılıb, break, seen it break basically, ağ köpüklərə çevrildiyini, and çevrilmək, to turn, ağ köpük, white foam, to turn into white foam, görmək, seeing, the whole thing, məni, me, qəribə, strange, sakitlik, calm, calmness, qərq edirdi, immersed. Basically, you went deep into it, immersed, that's why. Now, ready for fun sentence? Because today's word Mavi cannot be without it. I'll stop procrastinating when the progress bar turns Mavi. Now, to support you in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to download and start using Module 1 for free. because that's a foundational module. Highly recommended you finish it and then redo it. Once you redo it, you will know why I'm saying this. I'm also given all the vocabulary from all the modules, including future modules that I am building. The whole process is going to go up until 27 March. So I'll keep building and adding more modules there until that time. And then that will be complete. While doing so, all the vocabulary from there will be free for you. Check it out. I also have mastersobjet.com, a website where I've been posting since 2025. Every 10 days, blogs getting posted there on multiple topics. On top of historical and cultural context of the language, you'll also get grammar and language tips from me. So check this out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for another color. Cheers!